Hi everyone, I'm Claudia from Kiber, a member of the support team, and today we're gonna see how to use the Microsoft Teams integration. To use the Microsoft Teams integration, you need to tap on the Teams icon on the top right of the web portal. As you can see, a window will pop up on your screen and you need only to paste the link of the Teams meeting. After the confirmation, the Kiber kit will join the Teams meeting. As you can see, all the participants of the Teams meeting will see the streaming of the active camera, and they will have the chance to communicate with the remote experts from Kiber. From Kiber, the experts will continue to have the possibility to use all the functionalities available on the web platform. For example, they will have the chance to do screenshots, record the session, and share the screen. In addition, also the team users will have the opportunity to share their screen with the field operator and with the Kiber experts. If you need further support, you can check our YouTube channel to find out more.